Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a character that belongs to the world of fantasy television. He is a well-known character from the popular series Game of Thrones. Well, how do we say his name correctly? We may pronounce it as Gendry, 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 Gendry. Gendry is known for his role as a skilled blacksmith and a key ally to the main characters in the series. His story arc is deeply intertwined with the struggles and battles throughout the show. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Gendry, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.